We are hearing, Pranesh, that there's a setback to the Mamata Banerjee government. The Trinamool Congress has said one thing. They will challenge it in the higher court. But what are the specifics? No response there.
Right. More reactions coming in, Sagarika, from the BJP. Siddharth is joining us with this reaction from Amit Malviya, who's in charge of West Bengal. Yes, Siddharth.
17 plus. Yes, so here's the tweet that's been put out by Amit Malviya just a short while ago. He's basically said, with just 2 phases remaining, Mamata Banerjee has accepted the Trinamool Congress's dismal fate. In this election, she wanted to conduct a roadshow in Medinipur, but nobody turned up. The TMC had to change routes multiple times and still struggled to bring the crowds. Mamata Banerjee then took it upon herself to manage the crowds and got some people to stand at the end of the roadshow and cheer for her. This plan has flopped too, and realizing Khela Sesh, she left the venue in 5 minutes. 8 seats of Bengal are going to the polls in phase 6. And the BJP is going to win them all. This was a tweet a short while after the news broke on the part of the Calcutta High Court that several decisions that have been taken with respect to the act which had allowed the state government to include more groups among the OBC categories to pave the way for reservations for those
2 minutes ago. Siddharth, just 2 minutes ago, Amit Malviya has tweeted on the very order of the Calcutta High Court. If you could just read that out for our viewers.
Yes, absolutely. Let me just read that out here. In another blow to Mamata Banerjee's regressive appeasement politics, the Calcutta High Court has struck down Muslim reservation under the OBC subcategory. It has also invalidated all OBC certificates that have been issued between 2010 and 2024. Those admitted, if they manage to retain their jobs,
BJP going after the West Bengal government, targeting Mamata Banerjee. More reactions coming in. Siddharth and Sagarika. National spokesperson of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawala, is also joining us. Shehzad, are you seeing this as vindication for Prime Minister Modi?
Look, Pranesh, it is very clear that the India Alliance and Congress and TMC in particular have been grabbing the reservation meant for OBC, SC, ST and giving it to the Muslim vote bank. And this was seen in the most prominent way in West Bengal, where the NCBC had also pointed out how they had been doing this. In fact, out of the 180 odd castes, about 118 or 120 were Muslims. And that means it was clearly done on vote bank basis. And that, if has been struck down by the High Court, it is a clear slap on the face of appeasement politics of the TMC. TMC means Tushtikara mujhe chahiye.
So the Bharatiya Janata Party there going on to say that Trinamool Congress means Tushtikara mujhe chahiye. BJP today goes on to say that this is nothing but a rejection of the regressive appeasement politics by the Trinamool Congress. Their charge is that this is a rejection of including Muslims in the category of OBC. We have Adrija joining us. Just pulling out some data, Adrija. The NCBC came out and said that till 2009, there were 66 OBC castes, including 12 of Muslims in the state of West Bengal. That went on to get increased to 41, and all of them being the Muslim caste. From 2011 till now, more Muslim castes were added to the castes of OBCs, and that the total went up to 118 on the state's OBC list, while the Hindu OBC caste remained only 61. And this is why this case was challenged. Like we were speaking, take us through the observations of the Calcutta High Court.
Well, absolutely. You see, the case was heard at length and almost for 10 years, because this case was registered by RSS a couple of almost 10 years ago, and this entire case has been heard at length by a bench of a division bench of 2 justices of Calcutta High Court, Justice Rajshekhar Mantha and Tibro Chattopadhyay. 2 judges have heard this matter at length, and of course, both sides have been heard clearly. And today, therefore, the order was passed where finally the verdict was given by Calcutta High Court, where they have mentioned that after 2010, whoever has got these OBC certificates, all those certificates remain cancelled, and that necessarily means, as we were getting all the political reactions also, that necessarily means that the OBC certification, the benefits that come with the OBC certificate will now not be, now the people who had those certificates in these past years will not be able to avail them. However, their jobs, the job that they have received on the basis of the certificate has not been dismissed by Calcutta High Court.
Right.
To ensure, they have mentioned that on humanitarian grounds, Calcutta High Court will not be dismissing the jobs that the people have got on the basis of OBC certificate.
Right. So the Calcutta High Court, because even in the past when the order came on the, the job scam, which implicated multiple leaders of the Trinamool Congress. We are talking about the SSC scam, and when the jobs were in fact put on hold and the salaries were asked to be given back, a huge hue and cry was made in the state of West Bengal, which went after the, the state went after the Calcutta High Court and the Bharatiya Janata Party, accusing them of hampering the livelihoods of people. In this case, when these OBC certificates have been cancelled based on the very constitutionality on which they were actually given, the court has gone on to say that on humanitarian grounds, people who got jobs on the basis of these certificates will not lose their jobs. But the OBC certificates to 5 lakh people that were issued from 2010-2011 stand cancelled today. The BJP is calling it appeasement. The Trinamool Congress is calling it dictatorship and is saying that they will now go ahead and will challenge the order. What else are you hearing from the Trinamool camp, Adrija?
Well, you see, Mamta Banerjee herself have, reacted to this entire matter, and she have mentioned that she does not accept this court order on the OBC reservation. And, in the past also Mamta Banerjee and several TMC have been coming out and mentioning that the Calcutta High Court, several judges of the Calcutta High Court are very close to the BJP, and therefore they, pass orders specifically to please the BJP. And in fact, the TMC have gone out to even blame the Calcutta High Court, mentioning that, the order is actually written by the BJP office, and therefore the Calcutta High Court passes is just acting as a part of the BJP. So a similar statement coming in from the TMC Supremo this time as well, where she says that, she does not accept this order. She has made a similar statement when the SSC job order had come down from Calcutta High Court, where, several jobs were cancelled. The entire panel, in fact, was cancelled. She has made a similar statement. And
okay, so there's a detailed statement that has come out by Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee on the Calcutta High Court's order when it comes to these 5 lakh OBC certificates. Adrija, if you could just take our viewers through the details of that statement. What did the Chief Minister say?
Well, you see, in the statement, the Chief Minister have mentioned that even today I heard a judge passed an order who has been famous. She's particularly talking about Justice Rajshekhar Mantha, where she says that he has been famous for passing orders and snatching away the reservation from the minority community. And she has also mentioned that it would lead to constitutional breakdowns. Minorities can never touch an SC community or a tribal community, but these mischievous people of the BJP get their work done via the agencies. That is what Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee is claiming. And she also goes on to take the example of the SSC recruitment, where 26,000...
Adrija, let's also take this to Pranesh. Mamta Banerjee in a statement goes on to say, Pranesh, I have the order, I do not accept it, and I will do Khela now. What's the latest?
Saga, Mamta Banerjee, the Chief Minister, can say what she wants. Her comment on what the court has said should be taken with, a pinch of salt, obviously, because it comes in election season. And while she's making these remarks, we all know that the court order has to be enforced. The state obviously has a right to go up in appeal. The state can challenge the High Court order and then eventually go to the apex court. But till such time that we have another order that either stays this one or we have an interim relief from the Supreme Court for the state government, there is nothing that the TMC can now say in defense. And look, how will this play out politically? When we asked Mr. Gangopadhyay, he said that this is a fraud. So the BJP is taking a very hard line on this, and this comes on the back of some serious charges made by Prime Minister Modi in his poll campaign, not just in West Bengal. He's referred to Team India alliance partners, Congress, TMC, all other parties included, as cancer in one of his recent poll rallies. So let's see how this plays out politically. But like I said, 2 phases of elections yet to go, and this has really left the TMC red-faced.
Yes.
Because so far the response was that this is a narrative, the BJP is, trying to push this rhetoric. It is the High Court saying it. It is now not in the realm of speculation or conjecture anymore.
So what did the Prime Minister say throughout his campaign? That there is an attempt to snatch from the OBCs and give to the minorities or give to the Muslim community to appease a certain vote bank. And today, in the state of West Bengal, the Calcutta High Court has come out and has cancelled 5 lakh certificates issued to OBCs from the year 2011. The charge is that most of these certificates were given to many members of the Muslim community. We have Hansraj Ahir on the phone line. He's the chairman of the NCBC. Let's Calcutta High Court से जो order आया है, इसके ऊपर आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं? क्योंकि आपने भी ये कहा है कि बहुत सालों से, सालों दर साल जो लिस्ट बड़ा होता गया, उसमें the inclusion of Muslims in the list, in the state list, just kept increasing. For our viewers on this broadcast, if you could explain to us what is the contention when it comes to these OBC certificates that were issued in the state of West Bengal?
देखिए, 2011 के पहले बंगाल में सिर्फ 108 जातियां ओबीसी में थी। उसके बाद इन्होंने 73 जातियों को उसमें इंक्लूड किया, और उसमें इंक्लूड करने के बाद में जिस तरीके से ओबीसी जो मूल ओबीसी थे उनका अधिकार छीन के 73 में 65 ओबीसी मुस्लिम ओबीसी जोड़े और 6-7 कास्ट ओनली हिंदू ओबीसी जोड़ के 179 कास्ट इन्होंने ओबीसी में किया था। वो गलत था, रास्ता गलत था, चयन गलत था, सर्वे गलत था। ये बात हमारे सामने आई थी। जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जो रूलिंग था इंदिरा साहनी केस में, उसकी जो गाइडलाइन पैरामीटर्स जो दिए थे उसका पालन नहीं होने की बातें हमारे एनसीबी कमीशन के सामने आई थी। हमने उनको बार बार लिखा कि आपने गलत हुआ है, आप क्या से दुरुस्त कीजिए। आज जो बात सामने आई है हाई कोर्ट में, ये साबित हुआ है कि जिन जातियों की इन्होंने 2010 के बाद जो जोड़ा था
जी,
वो सारा गलत था, गलत रास्ते से जोड़ा था। इन्होंने सर्वे नहीं किया। इनका जो कल्चर रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट है वो काम सही नहीं करता था।
तो जो हंसराज आहिर जी, माफी चाहूंगी, हमें ब्रेक लेना पड़ेगा, लेकिन जो आप कह रहे हैं बहुत ही बड़ा चार्ज आपका है कि 2009 के बाद वेस्ट बंगाल में ओबीसी लिस्ट में जो इंक्लूजन हुआ, जो 73 और लिस्ट इंक्लूड हुए, उसमें 65 कास्ट मुस्लिम ओबीसीज इंक्लूड हुए, एंड दैट वाज नॉट डन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली. We'll have to take a short break here, but stay with us, viewers, as we get you non-stop political reactions on this big story that's breaking from the state of West Bengal.